did a couple things here. One is I assembled this, and you know, I put this on with this rubber piece around here, and then a what appeared to be like a sponge air padding thing that goes along here, and then also behind here where this is like a little bit recessed up. And I'm not 100% sure that that is correct. You know, that seems to be pretty good. I've seen people just coat this with silicone and just seal that up real good. Also, this piece doesn't seem to fit anywhere properly. So, you know, this piece fits down in there pretty good. But anyway, so I got that. Now I'm going down to assemble the Hoover bit. Okay, the Hoover bit. So this guy here, so I looked this up and it appears as though this goes around the back side here where the basically where this little foam is, and so I need to take off these two. Yep, it is going to take the entire set out. Okay, well that's no bigs. We're going to pull these both out. Put this Hoover bit on here. And then put these back on. And you know, I did the Hoover bit on my other engine, and I had to trim off a little bit of sheet metal just because it didn't quite fit right. And we're just gonna see. But for right now, I'm just gonna put it on and torque it down. And then when I put on this fan shroud, we're gonna see how it fits. So. I think the only purpose of this Hoover bit is to just seal off the air passageway well, so that not a lot of air leaks past, you know, when it's coming out. But so looking at that, it's torqued down pretty good. So let's just take a quick look at this Hoover bit. So on the back side of this oil cooler here, there's a Hoover bit. Here's where this foam comes up, and then around the back here there's like a little metal piece. And that is it, installation of the Hoover bit.